What's up, my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to get accents or any different other letters for different languages on your iPhone keyboard. If you don't really know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you here just a second, but there's so many other different variants of letters, and luckily the iPhone keyboard makes it super simple to just switch between the different variants, and then that way you could try to type whatever you want to type without having to switch between different language keyboards every time. So what you're going to do on the keyboard is go to the letter that you want to get the variant of. And if you just hold down, as you can see what I'm doing right now, there's going to be a ton of different options. And you're just going to slide your thumb around to the option that you want. And then once you release your thumb, it's going to type the option that you want with the different letters. And I'm just kind of testing it out here for an example, just to show you all the different combinations of stuff you could do. You just hold down the letter and then you just slide around with your thumb and then release on the different letter that you want. And you could come up with all sorts of different accents and tildes and whatever you have for your language. I'm not super familiar with the terms, but I'm sure I'm missing out on a ton of different stuff that I'm typing here that I don't know the terms of. But if you're watching this video, you probably know exactly what I mean, and I'm sure you have got the point by now. If you had any questions or were confused, though, on how this worked, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.